Welcome back to the channel, food lovers. Today, we're taking you on an incredible culinary journey to a place where the Sahara desert meets the Atlantic Ocean, the stunning city of Dakhla in Morocco. This isn't just a paradise for windsurfers. It's a hidden gem for street food fanatics. The flavors here are a unique blend of Saharan tradition and coastal freshness. So grab your appetite because we're about to dive into the vibrant street food scene of Dakhla. Let's go. Our first stop is a non-negotiable when you're by the sea. Seafood. Dakhla's Lagoon is famous for its aquaculture, and you can taste that freshness right on the street. Look for vendors selling houtquari, which are these amazing sardine sandwiches. They take freshly grilled or fried sardines, stuff them into a piece of warm Moroccan bread called cobs, and top it all off with a zesty mix of chopped tomato, onion, and spices. It's simple, it's fresh, and it's the taste of the Dakhla coast in one bite. You'll also find stalls grilling up fresh local fish marinated in chat. This zesty Moroccan paste made with herbs, garlic, and spices gives the fish an incredible flavor. It's light, healthy, and absolutely delicious. And for the truly adventurous, you can't miss the fresh oysters. Often sold right by the water, you can get them shucked right in front of you. A little squeeze of lemon, and that's it. It's a pure briny taste of the ocean. Next up, let's talk about Morocco's love affair with grilled meats. As you wander through the streets, the smell of sizzling skewers or brochettes is simply irresistible. You can choose from tender beef, juicy chicken, or even rich liver, all seasoned with a fragrant blend of spices like cumin and paprika. They were usually served with a piece of bread and a little bowl of salt and cumin for dipping. It's a classic for a reason. Another one you'll smell before you see it is kefta. These are ground beef patties seasoned with a generous amount of fresh herbs and spices, then grilled to perfection and often served in a sandwich. And of course, we have to mention Merguez, the spicy lamb or beef sausages that are a staple across North Africa. Grilled until they're slightly charred and bursting with flavor, they are fantastic on their own or stuffed into a bun. But what if you're in the mood for something a bit more unique to the region? Dakhla offers some incredible flavors you won't easily find elsewhere. Let's talk about camel meat. Yes, you heard that right. You can find vendors serving up quick bites of hearty camel meat stew. It's slow-cooked with a blend of spices and vegetables until it's incredibly tender and flavorful. It has a rich taste, somewhere between beef and lamb, and it's a true taste of the Sahara. Another distinctive Moroccan flavor is Khlea. This is meat, usually beef or lamb, that's been preserved and dried, giving it a really intense, salty, and savory profile. A popular street food dish is a Khlea omelette. They fry up the eggs with little strips of this preserved meat, and the result is a flavor explosion. It's a breakfast of champions. But honestly, it's great any time of day. Now, let's dive into some of the most comforting and satisfying street foods. Soups and stews. Moroccan soups are a meal in themselves. The most famous is Harira, a rich and hearty soup made with tomatoes, lentils, chickpeas, and often small pieces of meat. It's traditionally eaten during Ramadan, but is so beloved that you can find it all year round. It's warming, nutritious, and incredibly soulful. Another must-try is Bissara, a creamy soup made from dried fava beans. It's pure comfort in a bowl, served steaming hot with a generous drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of cumin. It's a popular breakfast, but it's perfect for a quick, warming lunch. And for the more daring eaters, there's babouche or snail soup. You'll see vendors with huge pots of snails simmering in a fragrant, spiced broth. Don't be shy. You're given a toothpick to pluck them out. Locals believe it has health benefits, and it's a truly authentic Moroccan street food experience. All right, let's talk about my favorite subject, carbs. Moroccan bread and pastries are on another level, and you'll find them everywhere. First up is Msemen, a square layered flatbread that's pan-fried until it's flaky and golden. You can have it plain, served with honey and butter for a sweet treat, or you can get the savory version, Msemen farci, which is stuffed with a delicious mixture of spiced onions and sometimes minced meat. It's flaky, chewy, and so satisfying. A close cousin is Meloui, which is similar but round and coiled. Then there's Harira, a pan-fried flatbread made from semolina. It has a slightly gritty, crumbly texture that's just wonderful, especially for breakfast with some soft cheese or honey. And you can't miss Maakouda. These are little fried mashed potato cakes, crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. They often seasoned with cumin and herbs and are sometimes stuffed into a baguette with a spicy sauce. It's the ultimate comfort food sandwich. And what's a food tour without something sweet? Moroccan sweets are legendary, and the street is the best place to find them. The first thing you'll probably spot is Sfenj, the Moroccan donut. These are ring-shaped, deep-fried treats that are airy and chewy on the inside and slightly crispy on the outside. They're best eaten hot, right from the vendor, maybe with a cup of mint tea. Speaking of sweets, you have to try chabakia. These are beautiful, flower-shaped sesame cookies that are fried and then soaked in honey. They are wonderfully fragrant, with a perfect crunch. Then there are brochettes, which are small, triangular pastries that can be sweet or savory. The sweet versions are often filled with an almond paste scented with orange blossom water and then fried and dipped in honey. Another classic cookie is griba, which comes in many varieties like almond or coconut. They're crumbly, melt in your mouth, delicious. And don't forget the simple pleasures like sugared peanuts you'll see sold everywhere with their distinctive crunchy red sugar shell. Of course, you'll need something to wash all this delicious food down. And in Morocco, that starts with one thing: mint tea. It's more than just a drink. It's a symbol of hospitality. Poured from a height to create a little foam. It's sweet, fragrant, and served everywhere. They lovingly call it Moroccan whiskey. But beyond tea, Dakhla's climate means there's an abundance of fresh fruit. You'll see juice stands everywhere, pressing fresh oranges or blending up amazing smoothies with avocado, strawberries, or a mix of whatever is in season. On a hot day, there's nothing better. Keep an eye out for vendors pressing fresh sugarcane juice to it's intensely sweet and incredibly refreshing. For something a little different, try Albion, which is a chilled, often slightly salty buttermilk. It's a traditional drink that pairs surprisingly well with savory pastries like Msemen. Finally, let's talk about the little snacks, the things you can just grab and eat while you walk. Dakhla's markets are full of them. You'll see huge displays of zitoun, or olives. Morocco has countless varieties, marinated in herbs, lemon and chili. Just buy a small bag and enjoy. The same goes for dates and dried fruits. The quality is exceptional. During the right season, you'll find vendors selling cactus fruit, or hendia. They'll expertly peel the prickly pear for you on the spot, revealing a sweet, juicy fruit inside. And a final treat to look out for is amlou. This is a divine spread made from roasted almonds, honey, and precious argan oil. While it's usually served for breakfast, you might find small vendors selling it with bread or in pastries. It has a nutty, rich flavor that is uniquely Moroccan. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the incredible street food of Dakhla, from the fresh catch of the day to savory stews, flaky pastries, and sweet treats. This city is a paradise for any food lover. It's a place where every bite tells a story of the land and the sea. I really hope this has inspired you to explore the amazing flavors of Morocco. What dish would you want to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for joining me on this delicious adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss our next trip. Until next time, happy travels and happy eating.